Most job seekers think recruiter conversations fail because of bad templates. That's not true. Conversation usually fail because the right message is sent at the wrong time or used in the wrong situation. So this playbook is not about writing messages. You already have message templates get from the LinkedIn Medium pack. So this guide teaches you how to use those templates correctly based on recruiter behavior, timing and conversation signals. This is an execution guide. It does not replace your recruiter message templates, it works with them. So think of it like this. Templates tell you what to say. This playbook tells you when and why to say it. Used together, they increase your chance of getting replies without damaging your professional image. Now let's see the recruiter conversation life cycle. Recruiter conversation happens in bases, not random messages. Okay, there are 5 bases. First, the connection base, where the recruiter accepts your request. The second, the context phase, where relevance is established. And third, the engagement phase, where the recruiter responds or asks questions. Fourth, the follow-up phase, where conversations slow or pause. And finally, the progress or closer phase, where interviews move forward or silence appears. Most problems happen when candidates skip spaces and push too early. I have attached the decision table in this guide. Before sending any message, pause and decide your action with that decision table. So, if the connection was just accepted, wait. If 2 or 3 days have passed and send your first relevant message, then if the recruiter replied once, respond clearly, then pause. If the message was sent but no reply after 3 days, follow up once. If there is no reply after 7 days, stop messaging. And if the recruiters ask questions, respond promptly. And if there is no activity for weeks, move on professionally. This decision step alone prevents most messaging mistakes. Then, let's know about how to use the right template in a right situation. So, you already have templates in the Medium pack. The mistake most people make in using the wrong template for the base. So, referral request templates should only be used after relevance is established. Follow-up templates should be used once, not repeatedly. Thank you templates should be used after support, response or discussion. So never mix templates across spaces. Wrong timing reduces reply chances even with good wording. Now let's see how to handle recruiters saw the message but no reply. When recruiter sees your message but does not reply, it's rarely personal. So recruiters may be switching roles, waiting for updates or shortlisting. So the correct response is patience. Wait the appropriate time, send one polite follow-up, keep it shorter than first message. Never ask, did you see my message? Never repeat the same text. Professional silence keeps doors open. Now let's see about restarting a dead conversation. A conversation is considered dead when there is no reply even after a follow-up. So restarting is possible but only if done correctly. Change context, no pressure. Refers to role or domain, not silence. So keep the tone neutral and respectful. Never mention being ignored. Never express frustration. So a restarted conversation should feel fresh, not forced. Now let's see about moving from chat to interview plus red flags. Progress only when recruiters show signals. Positive signals include clarifying questions, role discussions, and requests for resume, portfolio, or availability. Red blocks that stops replies include multiple follow-ups, emotional language, long explanation without relevance, so asking for referrals too early. Recruiters disengage from conversations that feel high maintenance or emotionally demanding. Now let's see how to use this playbook. Before sending any recruiter message, follow this simple flow. First, Identify the conversation base. Second, decide whether to message, follow, or wait. And third, select the correct template from the medium pack. And fourth, send once and observe signals. Fifth, progress only when engagement is clear. So, this playbook protects your credibility and future opportunity. To make this practical, use the recruiter conversation quick checklist before every message. First, profile readiness. Check that your headline matches your target role, your about section is clear, and your experience or projects are visible. If your profile is not ready, messaging won't help. Second, context clarity. Ask yourself why you are messaging this recruiter and whether the role or domain is clear. And third, timing. Wait 2 to 3 days after connection. Avoid late nights and weekends messages. Fourth, template section. Identify the base, choose the correct template, never repeat the same message. Fifth, message quality. Keep it short, 2 to 4 lines. One clear purpose. Neutral professional tone. Sixth, follow-up rules. Only one follow-up, shorter than the first message. Never ask if they saw your message. Finally, mindset. Stay calm, don't message out of pressure, accept no reply as possible outcome. If every checklist item is clear, send the message confidently. If not, pass, fix the gaps. Recruiter conversation are not about persistence, they are about judgment, timing, and clarity. Use this playbook and checklist together to support. Thank you. All the best for your job search.